What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You want some foodies? Shh. What are you doing? You're a good little baby. Oh, so tired. Oh, so tired. Wait, what do you think about all this, Maulers? What do you think about your sister? Oh, you're yawning also? Molly yawned. And then the baby yawned. Yawns are contagious in our household. Sometimes puppies get them. Sometimes babies get them. Okay, bye, baby. You're a good little baby. Okay, hopefully the baby never does that, though. That's less impressive. Don't ever chew on your haunches, okay, Evelyn? Don't ever chew on your haunches. Okay, bye, baby.